Hey everyone, today, I will show you how to make your taskbar completely transparent like this in Windows 11. Now, if you go to the taskbar settings by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting taskbar settings, you will notice there's no direct option to make it completely transparent. Even when you explore taskbar behaviors, there's no straightforward choice for transparency. Also head over to the personalization section on your computer. Once there, click on colors. You will notice an option for transparency effects. But here's the catch, adjusting these effects won't turn your taskbar fully transparent. You can toggle them on and off, but all you will get is a slightly change, not the clear look you might be aiming for. So, how can you achieve that completely transparent taskbar? Don't worry, I have got a workaround for you. We are going to use a tool from Microsoft Store called Translucent TB. To get this app, head over to the Microsoft Store. You can either click on it from your taskbar or simply type Store in the Start menu. Once you are in the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar at the top and type in Translucent TB. This is the app we need, and guess what? It's absolutely free. Click on it, and on the left side of the screen, hit the Install button to start downloading. After the app finishes downloading, open it up. You will see that your taskbar has become transparent. But wait, there's more. You can customize the transparency settings to your liking. To do this, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the Show Hidden Icons button. Look for the Translucent TB icon, which looks like this. Right-click on it, hover over Desktop, and here you can choose between normal or clear for your taskbar. I prefer the clear look, so I will select that. And there you have it. Your Windows 11 taskbar is now transparent, giving your desktop a sleek and modern look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.